Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwajoba. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you end up enjoying it. Share. I'd really appreciate it. This video, by the way, is dedicated to Ronke Aderonke. If you are watching this video now, we can have some peace and quiet in this life. Guys, it's an inside joke. Anyway, so yes, I have this cornrows on my head, and it's been on my head for like for a really long while, and that's because I wanted to try out some things, and it didn't pan out. So, and now that it didn't pan out, I'm tired of having to wait and keep the hair and stuff. So I decided to just let it go. I need to first say that I'm not a hair guru. I do the best minimum. I try to take care of my hair, but there are some days that, there are some days that you really could care less. Well, I have those days, and today is one of those days. I know a lot of all these hair videos on YouTube, they come on here and show you their steps, their routine and stuff, which is cool. But today I just felt, let me be that girl next to you, or let me be you on those days that you really couldn't care, and that is me today. I really could care less. And so I'm going to be taking out my braid. Guys, see, it is gone. Like, you literally cannot see any line. That's how bad it is. But yeah, so I'm going to be taking them out today, and then I'm going to be retouching my hair. For those that are thinking, why am I not going to a salon? Well, what's called, my scalp is really tender, and once my hair is this due, I'm not a natural hair girl. I use relaxer on my hair, and once my hair is due, nobody can actually literally touch it. I'm serious. Even me myself, I can't comb it. I don't know if I'm going to survive it, so I can't go to the salon. So I'm not going to have this done in a very lazy way, which is why I am filming this video. Please don't come for me in the comment section. This is my hair, and this is what I've decided to do to my hair today. Like I said, I'll be retouching my hair, and I'll be using the olive oil. Yeah, I'll be using the olive oil relaxer. This is what I use, extra strength. This is what I use. I just ordered it on Amazon and I get it. Yeah, so this is what I'll be using today. I also got the Cantu leave-in conditioner. I always use this leave-in conditioner, but the one I had finished, so I had to buy another jar. I really like this. Is one of my best products from Cantu. Yeah, and it has shea butter as well. So these are the products I'm going to be using. Of course, I have my shampoo and my conditioner in the bathroom. I'm going to be showing you that when it's time for me to wash my hair. Let me show you what the hair literally looks like. So this is what my hair is looking like. You see? Like it's like, my god, I look like, I don't even know what I look like. Yeah, so I'll be using this relaxer, and on opening it, for those who don't know what it's like, it's sealed. Look at the seal here. Yeah, so it's sealed. If the seal is broken, then please don't use it. But yeah, it's sealed, and this is what it looks like when you open it up. You have the it comes with its shampoo. It comes with, it came with 2 shampoo sachet actually, and also has the activator. This you will use to activate the relaxer itself, and this is the relaxer jar. So use this to activate this relaxer before you use it. And then it also comes with hair lotion. Yeah, it comes with hair lotion, and it also comes with a wrap mousse set. It also comes with the replenishing pack. This is the conditioner. This is what it looks like. You guys can see. So it says penetrating hair conditioner. So it also comes with its conditioner as well. And yeah, I think it comes with like pairs of gloves, which I always use. And then of course I have all my brushes, all my combs here, different sizes, just to ensure that I use the right comb at the right time. Yeah, so those are the, I have my towel here as well. Usually I should do this in the bathroom, but because I thought to film it, it's not really comfortable filming in my bathroom, and then I have to stand throughout the filming process, and nobody's got time for all that. So yeah, so I have my towel on now. I'm just going to start the process. So the first thing I'm going to do is well, what I plan on doing today, because I told you that today is a different, taking out this hair is different from what I do on a normal day. But what I'm going to do first is losing a line, a row, and then retouch that row, losing another row, retouch that, because guys, I can't comb this thing out at all. I can't. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Like I said, this is my hair. Please don't come and judge me on my channel. But it's true. And then I'm going to go ahead and mix this up. What you just need to do is mix this, is labeled B, into A, and this is labeled A. So you want to mix these two together. Pour this in like so. Yeah, you pour this in like so. Once it's finished, it comes with a spatula, and so with this spatula you get to mix the products together. So you're going to have to mix it together until, can you see, it's not yet smooth. So you have to mix it together until it is like really smooth before you start to use it. Yeah, so this is what we have. You can see it really it has that smooth consistency here. So with this you are ready to retouch your hair. So I'm just going to do one for you so that you guys see, and I'll see you once I'm done retouching my hair. Now that this is out, I'll then apply my, guys, I forgot a very important part too. I forgot a very important part of this process, and now that I've remembered, I'm just going to do it. This is like a Vaseline, so I just apply it like at the edges of my hair. I apply it generously at the edges of my hair, so that just in case relaxer touches it, so that it doesn't burn my scalp. Yeah, so I just apply it like that throughout my hair. Yeah, that's what I do. So that's the part that I forgot. So please ensure that you use like a protective base on your hair before you apply your relaxer, and please apply it generously. You guys can see it. Yeah, so apply it generously on your hair. Yeah, as I was doing before, I'm going to apply this on the part that I have loosened, and yeah, so this is what we have. I'm not going to do anything. I'm not going to apply it and then leave it for a while so that it, you know, softens out and come back to it basically. So I'm going to apply it like that. Yeah, and then leave it, and then I'll loosen the other one as well. So I'm just going to do the same thing for every part of my hair, and I will be back. Yeah, all right guys, so I'm done. My hair is out, I'm done. So what I literally did was just to apply the relaxer and use it to soften my hair basically. So now I'm just going to gently comb it row by row still and apply more relaxer basically. But if you're going to, I don't know, if you're going to do this, please be very careful and be very patient, because if not, your hair is going to, you know, literally fall off your head. I'm putting on my gloves again. So your hair is going to literally fall off your head, and you don't want that. So you're going to have to be careful. I'm going in with a big comb, a very big comb, just to gently, can you see? So it's a lot softer now, and I can comb it. So I'm just going to use this big comb to, you know, comb it out a bit before applying my next layer of relaxer, so that way it's a lot easier, a lot easier. Please be careful. You can see I'm holding the tip of my hair because I don't want anything to, I'm going to get some fallout, but you want to at least control it as much as possible. Yeah, so yeah, you can see this place is, yeah, you can see it's easy, like the comb is going through. That's what you want to achieve, but this place is still tangled, so just take it a step at a time, and then the whole hair is, you know, tangle free basically. And then once I'm done, I just walk it through again through the whole hair, and yeah, that's it basically. Please guys, expect fallout. Don't even think you won't, not your hair won't fall out. Your hair will fall out, just expect it, but try to control it as much as possible and be as patient as you can be, like be very patient. So this is going to take a while. I'm just going to go on and do that, and I'll be right back with you guys. Alright, so my hair is, you know, almost ready. I have put relaxer on every part, combed it. I'm just going to go in again with this white tooth comb, guys. Like I said, expect fallout. So I'm just going with this white tooth comb, and just, can you see that it's a lot easier now to comb through. Yeah, so I just want to comb it, and once I'm done combing, I still have like a little relaxer left, so I'm just going to apply that all over my hair again. Anywhere I see that I don't have enough relaxer applied, so yeah, so I'm going to comb through this. You can see that it's a lot easier to comb, unlike when I first, you know, started. Then yeah, and once I'm done with this, I'll just leave it for a little bit and then wash it off. Yeah, so my hair is coming back. See? Yeah. So yeah, so this is what my hair looks like, all retouched. It says to leave it for about 20 minutes because of my hair texture, but I'm going to leave it for 15 minutes because I put into account the fact that I used 5 minutes to comb the hair. So yeah, so once the 15 minutes is up, I'm going to go into the shower, have my hair washed, use my shampoo and my conditioner, and yeah, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like after washing my hair. Yeah, so see you guys once that's done. Okay, so I just finished washing my hair, washing the relaxer off my hair. This is the shampoo that I use, and I also have the conditioner as well, but today I decided not to use the conditioner. I just used the shampoo to wash my hair, and then I went in with Cocoa Repair, Auntie Jackie's Cocoa Repair. This is what it looks like. I went in with this, which is what is currently on my hair. So this is what my hair currently looks like, guys. It is so soft. It is so soft. So I put this, they said to put it for about 10 minutes. Yeah, about 10 minutes. So, and then I use this to cover it up so that it will heat up, and it's a bit warm and my hair is soft. I want to go and wash this off my hair now, and I'm going to go in with, once I finish washing it out, I'm going to go in with this argan oil hydrating mask. And the reason why I love this is because of the argan oil in it. This is an intensive conditioning treatment. So once I rinse this Auntie Jackie's conditioner off my hair, I'm going to go in with this hydrating hair mask. And once I have that on my hair, I'm going to leave that on my hair for about 10 minutes and then rinse it out, and that will be all for the treatments that I'll be using for my hair. So once I rinse that out, then I'll go in with my leave-in conditioner from Cantu, the one I showed you guys earlier. So because this is a leave-in conditioner, I'm just going to apply that on my hair and leave it in my hair overnight. I usually like leaving it overnight. I will leave it overnight so that it penetrates really well into my hair. But yeah, that's about everything that I'll be using for my hair in this video. I hope it was helpful. Yeah, I hope it was helpful. Let me just go wash my hair, apply the argan oil hydrating mask as well, and then maybe tomorrow, once I apply the leave-in conditioner and I leave it overnight, I'll show you what my hair looks like tomorrow, and then we'll just wrap up this video. So see you guys tomorrow. So good morning, guys. Hi guys, it's the next day and I just removed the disposable cap that I used to cover my hair. So this is what my hair looks like now. It's all clean and soft, but as you can see that it's still a bit damp, which is okay. So what I do is, once I wake up the next day, it's still it's damp and it still has products in it, but I just allow it air dry. If I'm like in a hurry, then I use my dryer, but usually I just leave it to air dry on its own. That way, I don't know, I just prefer it that way. So yeah, so this is what my hair looks like. This I'm going to dispose. It's usually easier for me to use disposable caps. That way I don't have to think of washing it or anything. I just throw it away immediately I'm done. So yeah, so what I'm just going to do now is, like I said, I'm going to leave it to air dry throughout the day. You can see that it's a lot easier to comb for me now. You see, it's a lot easier to comb now, and this is the fallout that I'm getting now. But I got quite a lot while I was washing, which, like I said, at this point I really don't mind. I just wanted to get that cornrow out of my hair, out of my head. So yeah, so this is what I have now. I'm just going to allow it air dry, and I'll then style it to my desired my desired style. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do to my hair yet, but this is what we have. I'm okay with it, and yeah, so this is what we have. Yeah, so this is what we have. My scalp is clean, my hair is retouched, and yeah, and it smells really nice. So this is how I ended up styling my hair. I didn't do it on that day. I just waited for a couple of days just for my hair to get itself back before going ahead to style it. Yeah, so this is what I got after styling it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to me if you are not a subscribed already. I love to have you, and I love to keep seeing you. Thank you so much once again for hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Jesus loves you. Bye.